Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make smooth hair rough. First, understand that achieving a rougher texture involves a shift in your hair care routine. You'll want to move away from products designed for sleekness and embrace those that promote volume and grip. This process is about enhancing your hair's natural characteristics, not fighting them. We'll cover specific techniques and product choices to help you achieve your desired look effectively. Once you've prepped your hair, it's time for application. A sea salt spray is your best friend for creating that desirable rough texture. Apply it evenly to damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Then, resist the urge to blow dry with high heat. Air drying or using a diffuser on a cool setting will help maintain the texture you're building. Remember to scrunch your hair as it dries for added body. For a more defined rough look, incorporate texturizing products like mousse or paste. Apply these to dry hair, working them through from the mid-lengths to the ends. This helps create separation and hold without making your hair stiff. Remember, the goal is to enhance natural texture, so avoid over-manipulating your hair. A light touch and strategic product placement will yield the best results for a perfectly rough finish. Maintaining your newly textured hair is simpler than you might think. Try to wash your hair less frequently, perhaps every 2 or 3 days, to allow natural oils to contribute to the texture. On non-wash days, a good dry shampoo can work wonders, adding volume and absorbing any excess oil without stripping your hair. This helps keep your rough look fresh and vibrant. Also, for those interested in improving their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.